Is this your first home milk?
I'm hoping
Yep.
by then that the restraining order has run out and I get to go. That's
Got some going down the side.
here. Okay, listen, on a weekend like this, usually we would give you all sorts of events you can go and celebrate.
Well, wait a minute.
In reality, right now, you're so far behind. Actually, you can't even get caught up. You don't even know where. You have no desire to go wake up the family and drag them to the station wagon. No road trip. No road trip.
Doing so good drinking home milk.
Celebrate things for this very moment you've never even heard about.
Good vitamin D, ain't
You
it?
know, they're kind of lame, but they're still a big deal.
Ain't.
So, huh?
Today is World Day.
All it's about gone.
You can't celebrate that on the road. Well, you can, but you could get a ticket. Also, if you really need something to celebrate, you really got nothing going on.
Girl.
It's the 7th anniversary of Madonna.
Did you get my milk mouth?
Talk about milk beard.
Oh, that's her
7 days.
goat teeth.
How many times has Britney been married? Come on, prom's going out to Madonna, even though she's practically grandmother now, you know. And finally, if you need something to celebrate at home tomorrow, get ready.
Whoa,
You
Nicole.
got one drink left.
Yeah.
You got a swig.
Happy Festivus, everybody. From all of us here at the Big Time Saturday Night. Seriously, now you know, the rest is up to you. We're happy to take your...
Well, honey. Oh, is that gonna knock you out? Woo!
Was that some good stuff?
That go all the way to your toes? My goodness gracious! Wow! What a big girl! Went all the way to her toes. Went all the way down here and got them toes.